So, hi! Now it's time to put the motivation jacket back on and unbox the Chung Machinery's watchmaker's CNC machine that I ordered in March. So yeah, it's a micro milling machine as they call it, and you can find his Instagram at Watchmaker's Lathe. Originally his company has made a watchmaker's lathe, and then they have expanded their business with this machine. And this is the last machine for me that I think that I will need for finishing my own watch. So I have a big expectations for it, and I hope it is as good as I thought. In paper it looks good. It has a 60,000 RPM spindle, and it should be pretty accurate. They promise something like 2,000 of a millimeter, so 2 microns accuracy they promise for it. It has its flaws. I don't like the controller, and it doesn't have a tool magazine, but for this price it's kind of a best thing that I can bought for this kind of work. It has a really small working area. It's a 50 millimeter, 50, 55, 50 it's movements. So I can make a small parts with it. But yeah, let's take it inside. This is heavy. It's something 100 kilos or some more. Maybe it feels so hard, so heavy because it's pretty expensive machine, and I want to be really careful with it. So actually, to this there is 2 packages included in it. I don't know exactly what this is, but this is more interesting, so let's start with it. So it came in this kind of wooden box. This is I think it's for a cutting fluid. Yeah, there it is. This is the top plate to stop splash after cutting fluid. There is some cables and a jockey wheel. Yeah, they put it in here. Okay, cool. Here it is. Damn, it's small. Yeah. This purchase was a kind of or in Finland we have we say it as we bought a big in a bag, kind of. Because there is not a lot of videos or not anything information about these machines. But it looked good on paper, so I made a bed with it. It is made out of marble, because, well, yeah, normally they make those epoxy granite, and yeah, but hopefully it works. It's a small machine. I asked a different controller if there would be plausible, but there weren't. Maybe we should take a look this box too now. Yeah. Industrial chiller. So now I finally managed to assemble it. It's ready to rock. So yeah, I found out that the spindle is hosey DGZ60E is the model of the spindle, and I found out it's the made for glass graving or machining glass mostly. So funny that they say that it's for milling steel and also all kind of that stuff. But let's see how it works. Controller is a Axie MCU. It has basic. It's basic Fanuc based controller. Here is cutting fluid. So it's this pump pumps it into the there. And here is this pump. It makes a air curtain, so the cutting fluid won't get in the bearings of the spindle. Yeah, so they both work simultaneously with the M8 and M9 code from this socket. This is air cooler, coolant cooler. So there is a coolant cooled spindle, water cooled spindle. So this cools it, and this is compressor what I need to change tool in it. So let's put it on. I have to put it in this way because it says I need 1 meter on another side and 1.5 meter backside to get free air. So I had to put it in this way. I don't know how much they've done to they changed this controller because there is this at least this download picture. Yeah, it's basic. There is what I'm how do I say? I talked about with Michael about there is a tool library. He says there is no tool library. There is no tool library. But here is our offset. So if I can make the some kind of stopper to my tools, so I don't have to measure it every time. It would make my work much easier. But yeah, there is just a this is pretty much what I've done to this machine so far. Now I'm making a program. So here is these dots I've made with those are the limits, maximum movement limits. So it's kind of funny how these fixture mounting bolt inserting screws are not aligned in any way. That's kind of funny. And also there is no any filter, so the chips from the milling will go back to this cutting fluid tank, and then this pump, and this pump will get stuck. I believe there is what will happen. So I need to probably make some mesh to this. Some mesh to here, probably. So yeah. Where is coolant? Here is coolant. Ta-da! Unboxing done now. Now I will make the programs for it so I can check how it really works and how good is the spindle, because I found this coolant machine something like 100 euros from AliExpress, controller under 200 euros from AliExpress also. So what I found, everything is pretty cheap made, but let's see how it works. I don't know what brand those screws are. linear screws are, but let's see. This is how the spin level tool changing works. I have to put it. Oh fuck. Well. Now if I pull here, it will open the spindle, and tool will come off. But I can do it now. Yeah. Let's hope it's good and it will make its thing.